everyone, I hope you are good and doing well. So today I am back with another video. In this video we are going to make Rakshabandhan explosion gift box. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And make sure that you have liked the video and commented down. So as we all know that Rakshabandhan is very important festival in India. इसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने ये वीडियो आप सभी के साथ बनाने का सोचा एंड रक्षाबंधन इज़ वेरी क्लोज सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू शेयर इट विद यू. लेट्स सी दिस क्लिप एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट टू मेक द बॉक्स. Making the gift box. First we need a chart paper of given measurement and fold it along the line. Now we have to cut the edges like this. Paste it with the help of glue. So the outer cover is ready. Now we are going to make the box with the given measurements. Fold all the sides. After folding the sides, we will give it the shape of the box by pasting it with the help of glue. So now our box is ready. So we are gonna paste it in the outer cover. We are going to paint the golden sheet. Here I am using handmade sheet. You can use any type of color sheet and design sheet according to your choice. Now our box is ready, so we will give it a final touch by pasting some photos and decorating it. Now we are going to make envelope to put it inside the box. The measures are given. If you had a query related to the box, you can ask me in Instagram and also comment down. After this, we will going to cut the extra portion like this. We will now fold the sheet along the line. There are some more parts to cut, so let's cut it down. we will paste the sides like this. At last we are adding a tag to it. It's totally optional and upon to you. If you want it, you can add it. Now last and main thing, we will add some money in the envelope. And it's ready. For making the rakhi card, we need an old wedding card. I am using this type of card. You can use any type of wedding card. First, we have to cut the main design of the card. In this case, it is Ganeshji. After that, we have to cut the extra part and give the finishing touch to the design in the front. The front side is completely done, and now we will work in the back side of the card. So first we have to cut the back side smaller than the front side. Here I am showing how to take smaller length than the front side. Length is taken, so let's cut. As you are seeing, the card is looking so odd, so we have to cut the card to a perfect length so we can add rakhi in it. Now the card is ready, so let's add rakhi and tilak to it. To add rakhi, we have to punch the both sides of the card. Tilak were easily available in the market. Let's attach it to the card with the help of a sellotape. Now we are going to make a Ganesh card. According to Hindu mythology, Ganeshji were traditionally worshipped more. So that's why I am going to make an individual Ganesh card. After cutting the Ganesh photo, we have to add a golden sheet back side of the card. So now we are going to make matchbox card. To make it, take these measures. Now fold it along the lines. After folding, paste it like this. For pasting, you can use any type of glue, but don't use hot glue because it can make an uneven texture in the card. Now we are going to make the box for inside. First, fold the line. Paste it in the shape of the box. Using the design sheet. You can use any type of sheet. If you want to purchase the pack of design sheet, the link is in the description. Now fold the sheet along the line and paste it in the outer box with the help of glue. designs to decorate the card. Here I am using these photos. You can use any type of photos. Now I am adding some toffees inside the card. For filling the space, I am using thermocol board with glitter paper. Now our card is ready. To know how to make the handmade sheet, you can watch this video. The link is in the description and flashing an I button. I've used this sheet because if you see the ready-made handmade sheet, it has a design but not so much. Its texture is somehow plain and it is not so thick. So I've used this homemade handmade sheet. If you want to use ready-made handmade sheet, you can. There is no problem. So let's start. First, we will punch holes in the sheet to attach all the sheets. After punching holes, we have to attach them. Here I am using ribbon. You can use thread also. So let's attach them. Now the card is ready, so you can customize it according to you. I've used some photos and codes to customize it. Link of the photos are in the description box. You can use them for free. If you liked the video and make this card, you can also share it with me in my Instagram account. The link is in the description. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more craft related videos.